Hi, my name is Nick Weiss. I am the founding attorney of Weiss Law. I want to talk about evictions, and I specifically want to talk about what to do when you are filing an eviction and it doesn't appear to be going anywhere. To be quite frank, in Northeast Ohio, where we have the majority of our practice, there is one court that stands out in its inability to timely process evictions that are going through it, and that is the Cleveland Municipal Court. The current judge, Judge Scott, who sits on the court, has had multiple firms, multiple plaintiffs go over her head to the courts of appeals to force her to process these evictions. It is very, very possible for these evictions to get stuck, and a process that might take a month in Garfield Heights or Cleveland Heights can take 90 days, 120 days, 6 months in the Cleveland Municipal Court. If you're watching this, that's probably where you are right now. So what can you do to actually process this eviction, actually get this going forward so that you can use your own property? So there are a couple of things that you can do. After the initial hearing, one of the places where this gets tripped up is the magistrate makes an entry and it just sits on the court's desk. The judge doesn't sign it. So informally, you can be annoying. You can bother the court. You can call for updates. You can push and try to go there. That sometimes works. It sometimes reminds them that, hey, there's a thing here that needs to be done. But more formally, if your magistrate's decision is sitting there, unsigned, court hasn't done anything, you're going to have to go over the court's head. And the process to do that is called a writ of Mandamus. This is a document that you should not file, but your attorney should file in the 8th District Court of Appeals. And what a writ of Mandamus is not just for judges, but in this case it's for judges. It is an order that an official, that a government official, do their job, do the thing that they're supposed to do. If you can establish that there is no reasonable dispute that this is a thing that official has to do, and that they're just not doing this, then the Court of Appeals can order that lower court to do the thing that they were supposed to do. In this case, process evictions. Numerous writs have been filed against this court in particular for refusing to actually process these evictions. So if you've run into one of these problems where it doesn't look like you're getting anywhere and there's no legal reason as to why that's going on, you should contact a counsel, you should contact an attorney to see if we can either get this done informally by bugging the court or more formally by filing a writ of Mandamus. If you have any other questions for that, feel free to reach out to our office.